I'm headed to the western edge of the sizzling hot West Loop, to a location near the Illinois Medical District that's across the street from Union Park and a short block from a CTA Pink and Green Line stop for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the new Evo Union Park. Evo has a 24/7 attended lobby that opens to a well-equipped fitness center with separate cardio and strength training areas. There's a treetop level sun deck with a serpentine pool and private cabanas. Evo's co-working space has a conference room and private offices. There's a catering kitchen and a party room lounge with a variety of seating options, a large screen TV, and a fireplace. The rooftop terrace has a sheltered area, a grilling area, and a fire pit. I'm on the wide balcony of apartment 915, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, looking south over Union Park, directly across the street. Turning for a view toward the skyline and looking over the pool deck. Headed inside. Plank flooring extends throughout the living areas. High brushed concrete ceilings. Floor-to-ceiling windows on 2 sides. Dark roller shades. Great spot for your dining table in the corner and a place to set up your home office. A breakfast bar peninsula, white quartz counters, deep, wide undermount stainless steel sink, pendant lighting above the peninsula, very comfortably furnished. Large screen TV. We're in a Sweet Home apartment, so there's a bag of snacks and drinks to welcome you home. All the countertop appliances, cookware, cutlery, dishware. Just bring your suitcase. Apartment has a French door refrigerator. It's a 5-burner gas range. A stylish tile backsplash, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and there's a beverage chiller. Good cabinet and counter space. Cabinets with soft close. There's undermount lighting. Have Nest thermostats. The pantry cabinet directly opposite the kitchen. Heading into the primary suite. Again, those great floor-to-ceiling windows. Another flat panel TV above a chest of drawers. Nightstand, good lighting. There's a walk-in closet set up with extra bedding, laundry basket, and an oversized bath. Double bowl vanity, quartz counters again, drawers for storage, and a walk-in shower with designer black fixtures. Good separation of the bedrooms here. Heading back toward bedroom 2. It's carpeted. Chest of drawers and flat panel TV again. We got the front entryway. The second bath. Supply of toiletries. And a wide walk-in shower. Your coat closet has cleaning supplies and an iron and ironing board. Latch keyless entry system. And a side-by-side front-loading washer-dryer. Shelving up above, which you don't always find in laundry closets. Evo Union Park has a convenient West Loop location Great access to the medical district, the United Center, public transit. There's an excellent suite of amenities. And Sweet Home has a variety of apartments here that are all a sweet deal. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more information and Sweet Home offerings in other locations.